Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock and I stay in bed for a few minutes because I still feel a little sleepy and tired. After that, I sit up slowly and stretch my arms and my back because it helps me feel more awake and ready to start the day. Then, I play one English story from the English Waves YouTube channel because it helps me improve my English listening and I enjoy it in the morning. If you also want to improve your listening skills, you should visit the English Waves channel. After listening to the story, I go to the bathroom where I brush my teeth, wash my face, and comb my hair before I take a shower. I always brush my teeth carefully and wash my face with cold water because it makes me feel fresh and clean. Then, I take a quick shower to clean my body and feel active and ready for the day. After my shower, I dry myself with a towel and wear clean clothes that are comfortable and nice for work. Then, I go to the kitchen where I make a simple breakfast like bread, eggs, fruit, or cereal with milk. I sit at the table and eat my breakfast slowly because eating in the morning gives me energy to do all my tasks. Sometimes I talk to my family while eating, or I watch the morning news to know what is happening in the world. After I finish eating, I check my bag to make sure I have everything I need, and then I leave the house. I usually walk to work if it is near, but if it is far, I take the bus, ride a bicycle, or go in a car with someone. When I reach the office, I work hard because I want to do well every day. I listen to my manager and try my best to stay focused on my tasks. In the afternoon, I eat lunch with friends or coworkers, and we talk about our day while we enjoy our food together. After finishing my work, I pack my things, say goodbye to everyone, and come back home. When I reach home, I take some time to rest by sitting on the sofa, watching TV, or listening to music. After relaxing for a while, I help my family with small chores like cleaning the room, washing dishes, or cutting vegetables. Sometimes I also do my homework or study a little more because I want to improve myself and keep learning. In the evening, I eat dinner with my family and we talk about our day, our problems, and our plans for tomorrow. Eating together with family makes me feel happy, loved, and connected with the people I care about. After dinner, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth again, wash my face, and change into my pajamas. Then I lie down in bed and sometimes read a book, use my phone for a little while. I try to sleep around 10 or 11 o'clock because I need enough rest to stay healthy and feel fresh the next morning. When I close my eyes and go to sleep, I feel peaceful and ready to start a new day again tomorrow. This is my simple daily routine, and I try to follow it every day to live a happy and organized life. Now, we will have a short conversation between two friends about their daily routine. This will help you learn how to ask and answer simple questions about daily activities in English.
Hey Mike, what time do you wake up in the morning?
Hey Jake, I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. What about you?
I wake up around 6:30. Do you stay in bed for a few minutes or get up right away?
I stay in bed for a little while because I still feel sleepy. And you?
Same here. I stretch and relax a bit before I get up. Do you listen to anything in the morning?
Yeah, I listen to an English story on the English Waves YouTube channel. It helps me improve my listening.
Nice. I listen to that too. What do you do after that?
I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower. You?
I do the same. A shower really helps me wake up and feel fresh.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually eggs and toast, sometimes cereal or fruit. What about you?
I eat cereal with milk, or sometimes just a banana and coffee. Do you eat alone or with your family?
I usually eat with my family. We talk or watch the news together. How do you get to work?
I drive my car. What about you?
I take the bus. It's simple and saves money. Do you enjoy your work?
Yeah, I do. I try to work hard and stay focused. Where do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch with my coworkers. We laugh and talk about our day.
Same here. What do you do when you get back home?
I rest a little, maybe watch TV, then help with chores. Do you study in the evening?
Yeah, I study English or watch learning videos. Sometimes I listen to another English Wave story.
That's cool. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10 or 10:30. You?
I try to sleep by 11. Getting enough sleep is really important.